Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous DIY ventilating crochet wig. I'm using this braiding hair. I purchased this braiding hair from AliExpress. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm just sectioning out the parts I'm going to be ventilating. I used 2 pack of this braiding hair. I purchased 2 pack. You don't need a lot because this braiding hair texture is just like a kinky hair texture, so you don't need a lot. You can see I've already started ventilating some parts. Now I'll be showing you guys how I did that. This front part that I'm doing, I'm going to be using it for my baby hair, just a little, not a lot of baby hair, just a little. So I ventilated on almost all the holes because the lace net I use is very small. I don't want to use big one because this is a closure. I don't need big closure. And again, remember I purchased only 2 pack of this braiding hair. I really love this color. I've never tried out this color before. I was like, okay, let me try another color, not every time black or wine. So let me try, sorry, not every time black or burgundy color. So let me try out another crazy color. Make sure you watch towards the end to see how this color came out. Oh my god. So now you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just ventilating. I'm ventilating with only 3 strands of this hair, 3 strands. So you can see what I'm doing. I'll pick the 3 strand. Please, English, don't remove my teeth though. So I'm ventilating with only 3 strands of the hair. So it's always easier for me to start from the front, not the back. It's always very easier for me to make my work a lot easier. So that is why I came back to the front. So now you can see what I'm doing. If I can do it, you can do it. This is a very easy idea to ventilate your hair yourself. Maybe you want to have a photo shoot, a birthday photo shoot, and you want to rock a crazy hair color, or even want to use a black color. No one is going to know. Yes, nobody's going to know that it's a synthetic hair. So you don't have to break the bank before you achieve a very gorgeous DIY wig. I keep on ventilating, so I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I'm very sure you guys are going to enjoy watching. Make sure you watch to the end. Thumbs up for your girl. Make sure you like, subscribe if you've not. What are you waiting for? Support this channel, support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. So let's keep on watching. So now I keep on ventilating. I told you earlier to ventilate from the front is always easier for me. Can you see we are done ventilating? I wish I could rock this hair with a straight hair, not me achieving with coils, but this hair tangles a lot, so I can't use it to achieve a straight hair. Tangle a lot. So now I'm just crocheting the back, normal crocheting. I knot it twice. So let's keep on watching. And again, I should not forget, as I crochet, I brush. I said earlier, this hair tangles a lot. So you have to use your head to work with this hair if you don't want to mess things up. So now I'm going to brush. As I crochet that line, I'll brush so that it will be easier for me to brush everything through. So we are at the top now. I'll allow you guys to keep on enjoying this amazing video. So this is towards the end part, the up. I won't crochet a lot. I won't allow it to be too close to each other because the closure itself has a lot of volume already. So I don't want this hair to be over full because, as I said earlier, the texture of this hair is just like kinky texture. I love this hair so much, the color. I wish I can rock it on a straight hair without not coiling. So now let's use this hair coiling wind, or what do they call it? I don't know, hair coiler, anyone you call it. Let's use to coil this hair. You can see I brush before I start rolling. I twist and roll because I want a very kind of nice coils. So I twist, then I roll. So now we dip the hair into this hot water. The water does not stay on this hair. It's not like expression braiding hair. No, the water does not stay. But if you dip it into the hot water, it will form the coils. This is not my first time of using this kind of hair. I have a tutorial on how I achieve long coils with this hair on my channel. You can check that out. I use a green color. So now do not apply any hair cream or anything on this hair. It's going to get tangled. So I just add some sheen. I spray some sheen to add some shine So don't worry about the space. We are going to cover that as we are unraveling these coils. Look at the coils, how it's bouncing. I love the color of this hair so much. I was like, let me try out a very crazy color. Let's see what this is going to look like on a black girl, dark skin color. So I'm just trimming the excess, just trim the excess off. Okay, the final look. Oh my god. This color look so good on me. What do you think? Let me know in the description box below. This color looks amazing. I love the final look of this color. Oh my god, I was scared rocking this color, but now I was like, oh my god, this is a very amazing color on me. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved one, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Thank you for watching.